A new political clash has erupted between former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV and Senator Bong Go. Trillanes claims Go and his family profited from multi-billion peso government contracts under the Duterte administration. But Go has dismissed the allegations as mere distraction. Here's the report.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV alleged that Senator Bongo sent several emissaries to persuade him to withdraw the plunder case he filed before the Office of the Ombudsman.
Problema kasi ni Bongo, alam nyo, ilang conduit yung pinadala niya sa akin para aregluhin, para hindi siya isama. Pero hindi niya ako mabili ng pera niya eh. Di ba? Tapos yung mga sinasabi niya may mga ginawa akong mali. Alam mo, 6 years sila naghalokay sa akin. 30 cases yung final nila sa akin, mga libel cases, mga harassment cases lang. Ni isang corruption case wala sila nakita sa akin. Di ba?
Trillanes challenged Go to respond to the allegations, saying he no longer enjoys the protection he once had.
A total of 200 contracts ang naibigay niya sa tatay at kapatid niya. Yan po ang facts. Ito, hindi niya mapagkakaila na hindi pwedeng nakakuha itong mga ito nang wala siyang impluensya. At kahit nasabihin niyang wala siyang impluensya, the law defined it na pagka nasa posisyon ka ng gobyerno na maaring ma-impluensya doon sa mga kontrata na yan.
The former senator said Go's family business grew during the Duterte administration, allegedly bagging 7 billion pesos worth of public works contract. Trillanes also named former President Rodrigo Duterte as co-principal in the alleged plunder scheme.
Kailangan po kasing isama siya kasi integral siya doon sa commission of the crime. So, part siya doon as a co-principal ni Bongo kasi hindi mangyari yung krimen kung hindi sa participation niya. So, ano yan? Principal by direct participation.
Trillanes further tagged Go as the mastermind behind the flood control anomalies, citing contractors and officials who allegedly benefited from government projects. But for Go, Trillanes is only diverting public attention away from the real flood control issue.
Tumbukin po yung dapat tumbukin. Nasa na yung mga dapat kasuhan sa issue ng flood control? Nasa na? Bakit walang mga pinangalanan na malalaking tao? Yung mga buhaya. Ba't pilit yung pinagtatakpan?
Go insisted he never used his position to favor his family's businesses.
You are barking at the wrong tree. Pilit binubuhay para lang mapinturahan po ako ng maitim para siya po ang magmukhang maputi. My conscience is clear. Unlike him, panlabas o panloob, pati konsensya niya madumi.
Go said he will cooperate with the Ombudsman's investigation in hopes for a fair process. Ombudsman Justice Crispin Remulla confirmed that the complaint filed by Trillanes will undergo standard evaluation procedures.